Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to benzblog, and today we're going to talk about the previous topic. What we are talking is the basic program of 6110 Mark 3 2.4 versions. This one today we're going to talk is all about the generator options. Okay, so stay tuned and relax, so we can explain to you, or I can explain to you what we're going to do in this program. Okay, okay guys, let's start our configurations. And first thing to do, open your applications and straight ahead to your generator options. Okay, so this is our generator options. So in here you can configure or you can set your program for the fitted alternator. Okay, so in here you're always refer to your alternator. For example, in our standards we have always purple, so you have to set that. Now if you have different pole, so you can adjust accordingly to your set points. Okay, so in here, for example, your generator is 3-piece 4-wire, so you have to do it like that. And if you have different connections, for example, you have the delta, double delta, or single phase, or whatever it is, you can select from here. For example, you have single phase, but this one is Y connection, so you need only the neutral and the line connections is here. So from line, and this is for your neutral, because this is only single phase. Okay, so you take only the one windings for line 1 and line neutral, because this one is common here. So for example, you have pure 3-piece, so you can change it from here. Pure 3-piece is only 3 wires, so possibly that one, this one I mean. So supposedly this is delta, because pure 3-piece is a delta connections. So since our generator here is we are connected from 3-piece 4-wire, so we are going to select this one. Okay, so we are using the Y connections, so you can use these configurations from 3-piece 4-wire, either 220 or 440 or 415 connections. You can set this one. So if from here, if you have fitted, you can check this one, fitted transformer. So for example, our generator is 500, so you're going to calculate from here the equivalent value of your kilowatt. Okay, so for example 500, so how much the value for your kilowatt? So you have to put it here, 400. So you have to adjust it, because the standard is 0.8 always in the generator. So as you can see, it will automatically adjust the parameters. Okay, so as you can see here, you have the kVA, and your real power is 400 kilowatt, and your kVAR or reactive I mean, is 300. Okay, so our always set here is 0.8 var factor. Now we're going to the generator voltage. So in here you can adjust whatever your standard, and it always refer for your standard configurations from your own company. For example, this one is we're using to 20, so you have to do it to 20, but from ours is 415, so it's always nominal. So as I talked to you in the previous blog, I already have this configuration, so you can refer on that scenario, so you can understand how we're going to do the program. But in here I will show you in the fast way configuration. So for 15, so 100%, so 85% from 415 is 353. So this is one here is 90. You can also adjust from this if you don't want to calculate that one, so you can see the value from here. So this is 90% of your nominal. So always don't forget the delay for your shock load and whatever purposes you are going to do. So I put it maximum for that. In our standard, that is 5. So the loading voltage we are using is 95% of your 100. So 95% is around like I will open some calculator here so you can see how I make it. So calculator. So I'll just adjust it from here. Still loading. Okay. So here, see the calculation. So 415 times 0.95, so it's around 394. So this is 394. So that's your 95. So in here we're doing 110%. So from your 415 times 1. 1.10. Oh shit, sorry guys. 415 times 1.10 is 456. So just adjust this one 105 and this one is 108. 108. Okay, so that's it for this one. And always don't forget the delay. It's very important for your voltage windows for adjustments, for if there is any shock load or there is some fluctuation, so it will not easily shut down automatically or directly shut down. So loading voltage, you can also check this one. So you have to enable indications, warnings. So you can put it warnings if you want. So while it is loading, so you have warning. Okay, now go for the next configurations. Is frequency, but I will not talking for now for that one. So this is only for today, the loading generator configurations, generator voltage configurations. So that is the one, this is the one, the configurations for your 415 voltage. But I will show you also for example, you have 240. So 240 volts again, you have to configure that one, the nominal, and to 85%. So see, so 240 times 0.85, so that is only around 204. Okay, so 204, so you can round up that one to 85. Okay, so here is 90. So again, so So 240 times 0.90, so that is only around 216. Okay, 216 now. So now in here, always put this 5 or 3. It depends on your standard always. So in here we have the 95, so the value for that one is the 40 times 0.95, so that is only 228. Okay, so in here you have the 110%, so from 240 times 1.10 is, that is around 264. Then adjust it to 108, that is okay, so 105. So this is the program for 240 volts. Okay, now let's go back from here. I'll show you how to calculate the kilowatts. So since our KVA, for example, is 500, so how will you get the real power or the kilowatts? So you just only multiply that one to 0.8 power factor, so you have 400 kilowatt. So 400 kilowatt, you're going to put it here. Okay, so now it will automatically adjust, for example, the power factor. No need to calculate this one, but this one is only around 0.8 always. Okay, so it will adjust your kVAR. Okay, so guys, did you understand the system? So always from here, always refer to your alternator, so you are not become confused in the configurations. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'm always asking for your like and subscribe and share to the other people, so we are all benefits on it. So always I said, Benji Mosquito is here for Ben's Vlog, and say goodbye.